You know, there's something really beautiful about the quiet moments just before bed. For a lot of us, especially as we get a little older, those moments can feel bittersweet. Sometimes we think about the things we've lost, like our strength, our independence, or maybe just the energy we used to have. But what if I told you that right before you go to sleep, you have the power to change that? Hey, I'm glad you're here, because tonight, I want to share a simple habit that could help you hold on to your muscles and keep living life on your own terms. Here's the deal. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle. In fact, after age 50, we can lose about 1% of our muscle mass every single year. That's what makes it so much harder to get out of a chair, climb stairs, or even carry groceries. But I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. Before bed tonight, I challenge you to do 3 things. It's something you can do in just a few minutes, right before your head hits the pillow. First, take a moment to stretch your arms and legs. Nothing fancy, just gentle movements. Reach for the sky, roll your shoulders, flex your ankles. Feel the tension melt away. Second, give yourself a few minutes of light resistance exercise. Maybe that's a few wall push-ups or sitting and standing from a chair 10 times, or even lifting a water bottle like a dumbbell. It's not about breaking a sweat. It's about telling your body, hey, I still need these muscles. And third, this one's so often overlooked, make sure you get some protein with your evening snack. A handful of nuts, a cup of yogurt, or even a glass of milk can help your muscles rebuild as you sleep. I know life gets busy, but these small choices, repeated night after night, can add up to a stronger, more confident you. Imagine waking up feeling steady on your feet, able to keep up with grandkids, or even just feeling proud of yourself. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. What's your bedtime routine? I read every single one, and your story might inspire someone else. Remember, it's never too late to make a change. Take care and sweet dreams.